my god, I'm getting my extensions in. It's been a minute. I am so overdue. I chopped actually a lot of my Q-tips because they were super long and they were kind of stringy because I've had them for about like 6 months, so way too long. I finally ordered new hair. These are the K-tips pre-bonded already. 26 inches of this, so I'm gonna bring you guys to my hair appointment and we are going to take the ones that I do have, which I don't have that many. I'll see you guys on my hair appointment. Hi guys, so I literally couldn't sleep last night because it's hair day. I'm so excited to show you guys the process of getting K-tips. There's something about having pretty full hair that instantly makes you feel better. And since curly hair is so hard to grow, K-tips are my little secret weapon to get a long, full look. First thing first, she started by removing my old K-tips. Then she washed and blow dried my hair to get ready for the new install. As we're getting ready, we actually realized the hair was really different from last set. I bought my hair somewhere else and we realized that it was thicker at the top but stringy at the bottom. We decided to use it anyways, but this was something we were just trying out. Installing the K-tips is definitely not a quick process. She separated everything and started applying the new extensions one by one. Honestly, it doesn't feel like 6 hours. Her and I talk so much. I think we put about a little bit over 150 grams of hair. I really like how small the bonds are and how afterwards I can't feel the bonds. It feels like your hair. When you move it, it swings and moves like your actual hair. Once everything was in, she trimmed the ends to blend it and then styled it and we made it work. My hair looks fuller, it looks so much prettier and I love it. I honestly love how my hair looks. I have curly hair and it just doesn't seem to grow past this part of my body. So these curly hair extensions are perfect to give me volume and length. This is new hair, so I'm still trying out to see if I actually like it. The only downside about this hair is that it is a little stringy at the bottom. It's not like full thickness all the way to the bottom. Okay guys, well this is it. Hope you guys love this video. Hopefully I influenced all the girls that have curly hair to get curly hair extensions. It is life-changing. Like and subscribe to this video if you want more curly hair K-tip videos. I'll see you guys later in the next video. Bye!